Tigai gukorwo na hahu kuona gutire tabarira o yothe ya ugima wa mwiri iguthinikana. Ino ni miario ya Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Barasa akerithiria a Kenya Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri iri na mubango wa guturanira tabarira cia murimu wa mukingo na homa ya githuri hamwe na ingi rungu rwa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, akiuga itikurugama ona thengia wa itua ria bururi wa Amerika ria kurugamia uteithio wacio. Miario yake ikinyitwo baru ni murugamiriri wa motungata ministry nino Dr. Patrick Amoth uria ugite bururi uri na dawa cia kuigana cia ARVs.
That we avoid panicking. We need to be strong and we acknowledge the role that the global parties have done, the World Health Organization, UNAIDS, etc. Time and time again given policy direction on integration of HIV and TB management into the broader healthcare system, and this is becoming a stark reality that we really need to move towards that so that we don't have HIV, TB programs standing in silos.
That we have sufficient supplies of HIV commodities to be able to serve us for the next 6 months.
Barasa augete marongoreirie kuhuthira kigina kuma kuri mubango wa SHA, ministry ya kigina na nyititemi matiganite niguo kumahotithia guthinga mahoro maria megutigwo kumana na ikinya ria bururi wa Amerika.
I believe that it is critical for us to think of sustainable solutions, domestic health financing, and part of it is through Taifa Care, and that is through the Social Health Authority, where we'll be having funding from the social health insurance and also from Exchequer, and again looking at treasury and other alternative forms of funding.
Na kurumirira amwe a arwaru a murimu wa kansa gukorwo magiteta ni kwaga imwe cia dawa na kwaga urigiti wa chemotherapy kaunti-ini itiganite. Amoth augite ni magukoretwo no nyihu wa dawa ici indi akaigirira kaunti murigo uyu na kuga nicio itakoretwo ikiriha mathiri ma KEMSA, undu uria ucungiriirie KEMSA kwaga kumatumira dawa.
Because the counties failed to be able to pay KEMSA in good time. But that has since been addressed, and we placed an order, and yesterday we got modest delivery of 456 vials. But going forward, to avoid that problem, we are in discussion with Social Health Authority so that when KEMSA supplies a medicine to a county, instead of us waiting for the county to pay KEMSA, when SHA is paying the counties, the portion for pharmaceuticals should go direct to KEMSA, so circumventing that process.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, muthikabu wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit ni anyitite baru ikinya ria President wa America Donald Trump akiuga ni ihinda atongoria mabururi ma Afrika gukira na kugia na woigiririki wa andu a mabururi maya hatari gukuo ni mabururi mangi.
So it is a wake-up call to our leaders in the way we manage our public resources and in the way we manage our affairs, and take advantage of what already God has given us. We are given a balanced climate. We can grow food.
Kibarua riu ni kuri thirikari kwarira mibango ya uria tabarira itiganite iguthie na mbere gukinyanirio hatari gukobobana iria irakinyanagirio kuhitukira kigina kuma bururi wa Amerika. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.